Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ramzan Biology. Student, today we will talk about the types of chromosome, different types of chromosome which are divided on the basis of some content of the chromosome. In previous lecture we talked about the content, the composition of chromosome and its function a little, but today we talk about the types of chromosome. So this is these are the types of chromosome: the metacentric, submetacentric, and the telocentric and the acrocentric. So we're talking about these two. Firstly, these chromosomes are divided on the basis of centromere position. Centromere is a point where two arms of the chromosome join together, and they help during the motion of chromosome to different folds of the body. So they are divided on the basis of this position of the centromere. That where the centromere are present in a chromosome, so the position of centromere change in a chromosome. So therefore the chromosome are divided on the basis of centromere position. The first one is a metacentric. Metacentric mean the center position. So and this chromosome, the centromere is in the center. You can see here, this is a chromosome, a typically structure of a chromosome. So a metacentric chromosome is a chromosome in which the position of centromere is at the center. You can see here both the arm, this one arm, second arm, have equal length, and they have equal length from the centromere. So metacentric have centromere in the center position, and they have equal length, and palm V shape. So both lengths are similar, equal. So if we make it as a coil structure, so it break like this structure. You can see here this palm like this structure. If we undergo this down and this also down, so it will make like this structure, like so. If we undergo this open arm compared to the lower, so this will make like this structure. So you can see here this is a V-like shape. You can see here this is a centromere, and this is one arm of the metacentric chromosome. This is another arm. So if we undergo the one arm of the metacentric chromosome with the another arm, so it gives us a V shape. In human, if we say about the human, in human karyotype, the chromosome of the human are called karyotype chromosome. So if we talk about the human chromosome pairs, so in human, the first chromosome, the third chromosome, 16 chromosome, 19 chromosome, and 20 chromosome, these are 5 pairs of chromosome or metacentric. So we can say that 5 pair of chromosome in human are like this structure, and the remaining are other structure. The second one is the submetacentric. This is a chromosome in which the centromere is just above the center of two arms and give L shape. So you can see here the word mean sub mean a little below. So we talk now there in a diagram just above. So just above, so it is a chromosome in which the centromere is just above from the center position. This was so in this chromosome the center position occur is this. If we imagine that both arms will have equal length, so we will present the centromere in this position, but in the submetacentric the centromere occur just above. You can see here this is above from this. So in submetacentric chromosome, the position of centromere is just above the center of the centromere, the position of centromere. So they give us the L shape. If we like this is this shape. If we undergo this like this, so it give us this. So it give us L-like shape. This like this L. You can see here centromere is this position and give us L shape. This is this, and this is this. So in this the case of this chromosome, the one arm is smaller than the another, so we say that every chromosome have two arms. One is the P arm, second is the Q arm. The arm which is smaller in size and length, so this is recognized as P arm, and second the long arm is called the Q arm. So you can see here, this is the short arm, we say it is P arm, and this is the Q arm, so it is the Q and this is a P. It gives us the L shape. Nextly, the third type of the chromosome on the basis of the position of centromere is the acrocentric. In the acrocentric, the chromosome in which the centromere is at the end position, the one arm is longer than the another. So in the acrocentric chromosome, the centromere is just at the end position, but there is a little small P arm. But at the end position, there is recognized as a end position, and this one arm is longer, the Q arm is longer than the P arm, this centromere, and this gives us the J shape. You can see here it gives J shape. So the one arm is the point of the J, it gave us like this structure. This arm is the point of the J, and the Q arm is the whole J structure. The next is the telocentric. In the telocentric chromosome, the centromere is completely at the tip position. There is no P arm in this. There is only Q arm, which is the longer one. It is centromere and there is no other Q arm, so it gives us the I shape. In this, the centromere is the point of the I. It is like this. It is I in the alphabet I, and is the point, the centromere is the point of the I, and the remaining is the Q arm. You can see here the centromere and the remaining is the Q arm, which give us the I shape. So this was about the types of the chromosome according to the division of the centromere position. So students, I hope that you learn more about my lecture. If you have any doubt, any question, so please mention in the comment, and don't forget subscribing and sharing my lecture.